So good day everyone. So for this video, we're all gonna talk about the intellectual property rights. So intellectual property rights are the rights given to person over the creations of their minds. They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time.
Republic Act No. 8293, an act prescribing the Intellectual Property Code and establishing the Intellectual Property Office, providing for its powers and functions and other purposes, otherwise known as the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines. Intellectual property law includes patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets.
Patent law. Patents grant inventors the right to exclude others from making, using, and offering the sale, importing, or selling the invention. There are three types of patents: utility patents, design patents, and plant patents. Patents had been used to protect a wide variety of famous inventions such as the light bulb and the International Combustible Engine, Barbie, and the Google search engine, as well as the ornamental appearance of the products such as sneakers, jewelry, sunglasses, and even the shape of cars. The next is copyrights law. Copyrights cover the original works fixed in any tangible medium of expression such as literary, musical, dramatic, and artistic, and the other intellectual works. Copyrights are granted to authors whether the original works are published or unpublished. Copyright protects the book to read and the movie you see, and the music you listen to, the software that runs on your computer and smartphone.
Trademark law. Trademarks include any word, name, symbol, or device, combination thereof, used to identify and distinguish goods or services and indicate the source of those goods or services. Trademarks can consist of words, images, colors, sounds, distinctive packaging, and even smells like the distinctive aroma of Play-Doh. Owners of strong trademarks must be vigilant about protecting their trademarks to avoid losing them if they become generic words such as aspirin, thermos, and escalator. Trade secrets. Trade secret law provides protection for proprietary information used by a business enterprise. This can include protection for technological and business know-how that is maintained in secret. One of the most famous examples of a trade secret is the exact recipe for Coca-Cola.
Consequences of intellectual property infringement. Failure to respect intellectual property rights can have step consequences for businesses, including reputational and financial damage. Left unchecked, intellectual property rights violations could even lead to criminal charges and jail time. How thinkers and creators make their IP safe from misuse by others.
In a digital world, it's easy to copy an idea or a design. Luckily, there are laws in place to protect IP once a person is ready to go public with it. There are four major paths to legal protection. Applying for a patent. Patents cover things like inventions, new processes, new machines, and new ways of manufacturing things. Applying for a copyright. Copyrights protect works like art, music, writings, movies, and even software. Using a trademark to cover unique branding and identifiers like business names, logos, slogans, mascots, and more. Keeping something secret. Trade secrets make sure that things like manufacturing processes, formulas, and compilations of information never make it into the wrong hands. Getting these protections in place may seem difficult or time-consuming at first, but protecting yourself is well worth the time and effort, and it's not as hard as you may think. This is where technology transfer, or T2, comes in. T2 helps negotiate the use, sharing, and assigning of IP so that companies and individuals can use government technology, or a joint project between the government and private sector can take place. T2 can make it easy to license a patent or share confidential information so both parties can help each other solve problems or create new products.